You're welcome. So let's watch this video on normality. What is normality? The normality definition is the number of equivalent of solid divided by the volume of the solution in liters. So I think from here you can even get the formula that normality is the number of equivalent of solids divided by the volume of a solution in liters. And this normality is also known as equivalent concentration. So you can call it either equivalent concentration, or by definition, you can define it as the number of equivalent of solid divided by the volume, or you can say the number of equivalent of solid divided by volume of the solution. So if you have that, you have your full definition and you'll get the answer. So now, what is the formula for calculating normality? The formula for calculating normality is a number of equivalent of solids then divided by the volume of solution in liter, meaning that whenever you are given the volume in reals or in centimeter cubes, you have to convert it to liter. So now, there are formulas that you can use in calculating normality, and some of these formula, as we said, normality is equal to number of equivalent of gram divided by the volume of solution in liters. And if you want to calculate the number of gram equivalent, you can now say the weight of the solid divided by the equivalent weight of solid, or normality can be weight of solid in gram divided by the equivalent weight times volume in liters. We can also calculate it by using molarity. Molarity as normality is equal to molarity times molar mass all over equivalent mass. Or normality, it can be molarity times basicity, or molarity times acidity. So these are some of the formula that can be used in calculating normality. So as we are doing this video, we are going to look at some of the questions and how we can actually apply some of the formula to get the answer. So now, what is the difference between normality and molarity? So normality is also known as equivalent concentration. So you can call it equivalent concentration. While molarity, it can be molar concentration. And by definition, normality is a number of grams of equivalent per liter of solution, while molarity is defined as a number of moles per liter of the solution. So divided by, it means that the moles of solids divided by the volume of a solution. And molarity is used in measuring grams equivalent in relation to the total volume of the solution, while for the molarity, it is used in measuring the ratio between the number of moles in the total volume of a solution. And the normality units, the unit of normality are N, capital letter N, or equivalent per liter, while for the molarity is capital letter M, or moles per liter. So let's look at some examples. Calculate the normality of 600 ml solution. 600 ml solution that contains 1.5 equivalent of solid. So you see here, already given equivalent and we have the volume. So the first thing that we are going to do is to convert this volume to liter because it is given in mil. So how do we do it? We now say 600 divided by 1000, and that will give us 0.6. So therefore our normality is 1.5 divided by 0.6, and that will give us 2.5 equivalent per liter, or 2.5 liter. So you see here, 2.5 normal. So this is how to calculate normality with this simple example. So let's look at another example. So in this case, the question says find the normality of 0.21 grams sodium carbonate in a 250 ml solution. So it's simple. You need to get this information first. The molar mass of sodium carbonate is 1. You can see it from here. It is given as 105.99 gram per mole. Then, of course, the formula for normality is actually the number of equivalent divided by the volume of solution in liter. And then also, if you want to calculate the number of equivalent, is actually the moles times and factor. So I think from here, ladies and gentlemen, you can simply get it. This is the mass. and this is the molar mass. So you can calculate the mole by saying mole is equal to, mass all over molar mass, and the mass given is 0.321 gram divided by 105.99. So after you calculate it, then you now know your n factor. So what is the n factor of this? So the n factor, because it is sodium carbonate, so when you have sodium carbonate, and of course it will dissociate in water, it will produce 2 molecules of sodium ion, and then one molecules of carbonate ion. So therefore, because sodium ion or sodium can completely ionize or dissociate in water, so that is why the n factor is equal to 2. Is equal to 2. So therefore, after you calculate the moles from here, then you are going to multiply it by 2. So let's see. You see, this is the mole, as we can see from here. The mole given here, we can see clearly that we have our mole to be. The mole is equal to mass all over molar mass, which is 0.321, 0.321. We have it as 0.321 divided by 105 divided by 0.99. So therefore, the mass is going to be 0.00330 moles. So from here, we can see that, so after calculating the moles, the next step is to get the numbers of equivalent, and the number of equivalent is equal to moles times n factor, as we can see clearly. But okay, so and the moles is calculated as 0.00300 moles times the number of equivalent is 2. So we have the number of equivalent. So the equivalent is 0.00606 equivalent. And the next thing is to convert the volume in liter, because it is given in mil. So we have 250 mils, so we divide it by 1000, and that is why we have 0.205 liters. So we have the number of equivalent, and then we divide it by 0.25 liter. That is where we have, so normality is the number of equivalent divided by the volume of solution in liter. So we have 0.006006, then we divide it by 0.250, and then at the end we have normality as approximately 0.0242 normal. Ladies and gentlemen, please don't forget to subscribe and join the YouTube community, and see you next.